Hi, my name's Hedy. I am the Big Cheese founder of San Francisco-based travel gift card mytab.co. Today we're going to talk about how to make sure that when you are using your cleaner to remove cookies, it doesn't get rid of any cookies from your Facebook account. So let's get started. So using Chrome, on the top right, you can see a wrench. I think it's a wrench. I'm a bit of a girl, so on these things, but it might be a wrench or a spork that's been half eaten. Either way, click on it. It takes you to your Chrome settings. You will say the same thing on Firefox or the same thing on IE, Internet Explorer. Click on settings. So now you're in settings. Scroll down where it says show advanced settings on Chrome. And when you click on this, you will then see privacy settings. Click on content settings on the left. Under cookies, click on manage exceptions. Now you can see I've already installed Facebook. So just type in, if you want to, HTTP, remember that part, and click on facebook.com. You've got it set to go and click OK. So if you haven't typed it in, type it in. And then close out on the top right or press OK. Either way, it makes no difference. And then go back to privacy. Click on clear browsing data, the one on the right. Make sure you have 4 boxes ticked, the top 4 boxes. Just trust me on this and do it. Delete cookies and other sites and plugin data. You need to make sure that that is specifically ticked. So you've done this now, and now you can click and make sure it says beginning of time, clear browsing data. It will whir around for anything up to 2 minutes, up to 30 seconds, depending on how backlogged you are. What you're doing is a spring clean of your server and everything that is on your browser, but you are not getting rid of anything that is based on Facebook. And you're now set to roam around the World Wide Web once over again. So now you know how to get rid and clear out all cookies and all that gunk data, but not get rid of your Facebook information on your online browser. This is me signing out, Hedy, from travel gift card mytab.co in San Francisco. Brilliant.